How to deal with your girlfriend ignoring you. Your girlfriend used to be thrilled to see you, but now you feel like she's either upset with you all the time or doesn't even see you. Perhaps she doesn't reply to your texts anymore, or she spends the entire party talking to everyone but you. Whatever the reason, if your girlfriend seems to be ignoring you, you probably also feel hurt, annoyed, and possibly even angry. The healthiest way to handle being neglected is to face it head-on. It could be tempting to ignore her back, make her jealous, or even break up with her. 1. Leave her alone. Your girlfriend might be upset with you, but it's also likely that she's going through a difficult time unrelated to you. In either case, don't press her to chat straight away if you sense that she is feeling uncomfortable. Allow her to calm down for a while. You'll have more time to consider your own emotions as a result. 2. Do you really think she is ignoring you? Has your girlfriend's behavior toward you genuinely changed? Is it conceivable that you're imagining her behavior to be worse than it actually is because you're experiencing depression or anxiety? 3. Think about the possibility that your partner is depressed. If she is experiencing depression, she may be neglecting you but not even be aware of it. 4. Resist the want to ignore her back. It may be easy to ignore her or make her jealous, but doing so is unhealthy and counterproductive. Additionally, ignoring your girlfriend's problems will only make them worse for her and could seriously harm your relationship if she suffers from depression or another challenging personal issue. 5. Ensure your own well-being. Don't let your feelings of hurt or upset caused by your girlfriend's actions consume you. She can't actually make you feel anything, so remind yourself that you have a choice as to whether you will notice it or not. We wish you all the best and good luck. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.